No, that's the stock answers that we hear everywhere. Supreme Personality of God is 6 obviouses. But Jiva Goswami gives a very nice definition of Bhagavan, which is rasic, true to the Goswami's nature. I don't know where it's from, a notes I got from some teacher. He explained that Jiva Goswami says the meaning of Bhagavan is Bhajaniya Guna Vasishta. Bhajaniya Guna Vasishta. He says if Bhagavan is a person, he's one who has a charming personality which draws us automatically toward him. He has a charming personality, naturally attracting everything toward him. That is Bhagavan. And that's depicted so clearly in Krishna's Braj Leela. That principle is, although it's a deep philosophical principle in defining the exact nature of Bhagavan, it just plays in the background like wind blowing in the trees. And you see it surfacing everywhere, the principle of attraction of Krishna. He plays his flute in the afternoon, Aparan Leela, and the cows are grazing on Govardhan, and they have grass in their mouth and they're chewing it. And their babies are maybe there with them. And as soon as they hear Krishna's flute, they start running. Their tails are stuck up in the air. They're so excited. And their feet are leaping. And they're having milk bags because they've been making milk all day, eating grass. And they're going to go back to the Goshala on the ground and let loose their milk for the service of Krishna and their baby Vatsa calves. As soon as they heard Krishna's flute sound calling their individual names, Gange, Saraswati, Dumre, Shone, Hamsi, etc., they started running, and the grass that they're chewing at that moment, they just hold it in their mouth. They don't swallow the grass, they don't chew it, and they don't drop it. They just hold it in their mouth and they run all the way to Krishna's side. They come to Krishna's side and they brush up against him like they're embracing him, and they touch him with their nose. And there's the leaders there's 108 groups of cows that are distinguished by color and design and shape of the head. There's Mridanga Mukhi, one cow called Mridanga Mukhi. Head is shaped like a mridanga, or maybe he sings bowls or something, like bowls and tala, bowl, gita ta ta ta, ta 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 ta. So maybe when he when the cow sings, it sounds like drum mridanga. I don't know. Boom, boom, oh, boom. I can't say. I have to ask Krishna why he names it Mridanga Mukhi.